In this Bank of Scotland UK review, we'll explore its features, usability, and overall banking experience. Find product links below. Serving the UK for over 300 years, Bank of Scotland provides personal accounts, mortgages, loans, and insurance. Trusted and reliable, they cater to individuals, families, and businesses seeking straightforward banking. Their digital banking stands out. The user-friendly mobile app and online platform simplify managing finances, checking balances, transferring money, and even applying for loans and credit cards. Benefit from spending insights, budget tracking, and instant notifications. Prefer in-person banking? Bank of Scotland's branch network offers face-to-face support. 24/7 customer support is accessible by phone or online chat. Basic current accounts have no monthly fees, and personal loan interest rates are low. Some services, like overdrafts and international transfers, may have higher fees. Overall, Bank of Scotland delivers a solid, reliable banking experience. Whether personal or business banking, their product range and customer focus offer convenience and flexibility.